Got your PlayStation 4 hit with the dreaded Ce-30005-8 error? Let's get your game back on track quickly. The Ce-30005-8 error typically pops up during a system software update or while installing a game, and often points to a problem with the hard drive. The first thing we need to determine is what triggered the error. Was it a game install, a system update, or something else? Knowing this will help us narrow down the fix. If the error appeared during a system update, start by restarting your PS4 to do this. Completely power down the console, then turn it back on. Try the system update again. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes. If the restart didn't help, it's time to investigate the file system on your hard drive. Go to the settings menu, then select system software. Choose safe mode now. From the safe mode menu, pick option 5 to rebuild the database. This process can take time, depending on the amount of content you have on your hard drive. If rebuilding the database fails or continues producing the error, you might have a corrupt hard drive, so you may need to replace it. This is slightly more involved, but you can find many tutorials online showing how to swap out your PS4's hard drive. If the previous steps didn't do the trick, and you believe data isn't important, and as a last resort, try initializing the PS4 warning. This erases everything on your hard drive, wiping out all your games and saves. So back up your data if you can. If important, go to settings, then initialization, and then select initialize PS4. Hopefully, one of these steps has resolved your Ce-30005-8 error. If you're still stuck, you might seek professional help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PS4 troubleshooting tips.